Hello and good evening to you. It's evening time here where I live. This is Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the city where I live. I've been combining and putting together the atomic numbers of elements and the chemical symbols of elements together with medical terminology and abbreviations. I made a lot of videos. The periodic table of elements, of course, has a lot of chemical symbols and atomic numbers and atomic mass, and it's full of a lot of those things. And I needed a way to combine that with other things. And I discovered that it goes very well together with medical terminologies and abbreviation. So here I am to continue more videos in that subject. Okay, and all this I'm going to write down below in the description box below. Whatever I do today in this video, it'll be in the description box below. Let's take capital NA. Capital NA means nursing assistant. Okay, so we took the capital N, and we took the capital A, and we made it into a smaller case A, and put a line. And on the bottom of that line, we put 11 for the atomic number, because capital N and a small a together is a chemical symbol for sodium. Sodium. And 11 is the atomic symbol. And then is atomic, the chemical symbol is Na, sodium. Capital N, capital A, capital N, and a C stands for Nursing Assistant Certified. Nursing Assistant Certified. Okay, so I took the NA from here and made a capital N and a small a. See, I took the A from here and I put a small a and the N to make sodium with the atomic number of 11. See the little line? Then I took the C and made it into a capital C for carbon, which is 6, atomic number. Okay, and you got it right there. Then I took capital NAR, which means Nursing Assistant Register. In medical terminology, I took the N and made a capital N and put a 7 at the bottom for nitrogen, the atomic number of nitrogen. Then I took the A and R and I put a capital A, but I took this capital R and made a small r and have an 18 for argon, which is a noble gas. Then I took Na, capital Na, which I did that already, a nursing assistant. Then I took AM. AM means morning in medical terminology. It means morning, AM. AM in the morning. So I took the little A and I made it to a capital A and put a small N at the bottom, and I put 95 for atomic number for americium. Then I took PM, capital P and small m, which means evening, and like PM in the evening, and I took it up and I left it the same way, and I put a small line in the bottom, and I put a 61. So you see what I'm doing here? And that is for promethium. Promethium. PM is for promethium. Okay? All this I'm going to write down in the description box below. Then I took the SBA, which means standby assistant, and I took the S and put a 16 for sulfur, and BA for barium, which is 56, and that's what you get. And you get a 16 and a 56. SBA means barium. Okay, now SBA in medical terminology, I mean SBA in medical terminology means stand by assistant. See it? Stand by assistant. See the A? And I just separated everything together. The BA is for barium, 56 atomic number. This is Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the city where I live. Go down to the description box below. I'm going to be writing all this down to make it easier. This is Wise Owl 2 coming at you, over and out.